Apple Watch Series 5. There's an Apple Watch for everyone. You've never seen a watch like this. It has apps to keep an eye on your heart. Get a quick read on your heart rate, or check your heart rhythm with the ECG app. This watch has a display that never sleeps. With the always-on Retina display, you always see the time in your watch face. And tells you when things are getting a little loud. The Noise app alerts you when decibels rise to levels that can impact your hearing. This watch can be customized any way you like. Choose a case and pair any band in the Apple Watch Studio. With materials you'll love. Aluminum, stainless steel, titanium, or ceramic. It's your call. This watch helps you crush your fitness goals. With advanced workout metrics, GPS, and water resistance to 50 meters, it's made for all the ways you exercise. And streams your favorite 60 million songs. Listen to the entire Apple Music library, not to mention podcasts and audiobooks. This watch has a great sense of direction. With a compass and ground elevation, it's made for life's twists and turns, and ups and downs. Did we mention this watch tells time? With more than 100 watch faces and infinite ways to personalize them, there's never been a watch like this. The GPS Plus Cellular model allows streaming of Apple Music and the Podcasts app. All models also include 32 GB of storage, and you can get it in aluminum, stainless steel, titanium, or ceramic. Series 5 supports international emergency calling, even if you don't have an active cellular plan. What's in the box? Stainless steel case. Regular sport band comes with S, M and M, L pieces. 1 meter magnetic charging cable, 5W USB power adapter. Give your watch a lovely compliment. Choose from our latest styles. Or create your own style in the Apple Watch Studio. Apple Watch Series 5 available in different colors: gold aluminum with pink sand sport band. Gold stainless steel with gold Milanese loop. Gold stainless steel with stone sport band. Silver aluminum with white sport band. Space black stainless steel with black sport band. Space gray aluminum with black sport band. Stainless steel with white sport band. The Apple Watch Series 5 costs anywhere from $399 to $1,399, depending on the model you choose. The GPS-only model with an aluminum case in gray, silver, or gold and starts at $399 for the 40mm size or $429 for 44mm, both of which come with your choice of Apple's classic rubber sport band or fabric sport loop band. Buying your desired color in Apple Watch, click on the below link.